In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add options to Shopify products. This process is essential for those running online stores who wish to offer customers a variety of choices, such as different colors or sizes for their products. So, let's dive into it and get started on enhancing your product offerings. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Shopify's website. If you're already familiar with the platform, this should be a piece of cake. Once you're on the site, navigate to the top right corner and log in to your Shopify admin panel using your account credentials. It's important to note here that having access to the admin panel is crucial for making changes to product listings in your store. After logging in, you'll be presented with your Shopify dashboard. Look to the left sidebar. It's the command center for managing your store. From here, click on the Products tab. This is where all the magic happens. This area displays all the products in your store. Now find the specific product you wish to modify. If your store has numerous products, you might want to use the search function for efficiency. Once you have your desired product, click on it to open its details. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Variants. This is where you can add options to your products. You'll notice an option to plus add options like size or color. Click on this to begin adding options. Naming the option correctly is paramount. It not only helps you stay organized, but also makes it easier for customers to understand. In the field marked Option Name, enter a descriptive name for your option. For instance, if you're selling t-shirts, you might want to add color as an option. Next, let's take care of the option values. In the Option Values section, enter the specific choices you want to offer for each option. Continuing with the t-shirt example, you might add values such as red, blue, and green. If you want to offer more than one type of option, say size alongside color, don't worry, it's simple. Just click on plus add another option and repeat the same process for size by adding values like small, medium, and large. Once you've set up all the necessary options and their corresponding values, take a moment to review them to ensure they're accurate. When everything looks good, click Done to confirm your changes. Finally, make sure to click Save to update the product with these new options. With just these few steps, you've successfully added options to your Shopify product, making it more versatile and appealing to potential customers. Implementing these options can significantly enhance the shopping experience, enabling customers to tailor their purchases to their preferences seamlessly. Thank you for tuning into today's video. Happy selling, and until next time, take care.